All right, you guys, welcome back. Hope you all had a great trading week and that you're all doing splendid. This is David MT, and I'm here to do the review of week 5 and week 6, 2020. So, last time I made a video about how many pips you could have easily picked up within 1 week. So, I showed you many trades. Okay, but this video is gonna be about the max plan. Okay, so here I will show you only 10 trades within these 2 weeks. Okay, 10 trades, and it's gonna be 10 max plan trades. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the trades. They are gonna be for 20 pips, and we're gonna use a 8 pip stop loss. Okay, so let's say you made let's let's say you have a $200 account. That's what you're putting in. That's your max plan account. You just started it. Okay, so what you should do um, in your broker, you should risk, if you're using a 8 pip stop loss and a 20 pip take profit, you should put the risk, the percentage risked amount. It should be around 29%. And if you're, because we can't go for much more than that, because you're using all your margin to take one max plan trade. Okay, so it won't allow you more than 29 or 30% risk, okay, on your total account. So you put that in 29% risk on your account, and that's using a pip stop loss and 20 pip take profit. And if you get the trade right, so if you get 20 pips, then you will increase your account with 70%. That's a lot for one single trade. And I'm gonna show you 10 trades. Okay, so we will see how much we can grow this $200 account within 10 days, taking only one trade a day for 20 pips. Okay, for 10 days. Now, so if you're using this calculator, you should put in like yeah, 70 because that's the daily interest rate in percentage, 70. And length of term, well, you can put in whatever you want. I put in 30 days, and that's your account. Put in what your max plan account is, and daily reinvest rate 100%. Okay. Include weekends? No, because we don't trade the weekends. And then you get this. So when you take your first trade, your very first max plan trade, if you have $200 account, you will get this $140 for your very first trade. So your account will be this now. And then the second day, if you're still doing the max plan, we'll get this. And then your account will be this, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, so I will show you 10 trades within 2 weeks, and then your account should have grown to more than $40,000. This right here. Okay, so your 10th trade should give you $16,602. One trade, guys. Okay? And that's after 2 weeks. 2 weeks you could be on this level right here, doing only one single trade a day. Okay? Now, so let's look at the charts. Yay, the charts. Okay, so start with Monday. And now, here is what I am going to do. I will show you only trades on the GU, just to show you that you can like look at only one pair a day and still get 20 pips a day. Okay, just focus on one pair. So I'm gonna show you like the GU, it worked fine every single day for 20 pips. Okay, so there's 20 pips every single day. Oh, okay. So when we came in the room, we first have to look at the long-term charts up here. Okay, so when we came in the room, now when we come in the room, we should ask ourselves two things. What do we see? And where is the price? Okay, so what do we see? That's like golden ticket stuff. Do we see arrows? Do we see trends? Like, do we see slopes? Do we see slopes? Do we see flip ups? What do we see on the chart? Okay, what do we see on the chart? And then we have to ask ourselves after that, now where is the price? So you know, if the price is at a certain level or a wall, then it's likely to bounce, to react on that wall. Okay? So when we came in the room, well, what do I see? I see a downtrend. And how do we establish a downtrend? We just ask ourselves, where is the price? Is it above or is it below the orange line? Is it above or is it below? It's below. So GU 4-hour chart downtrend. The 1 hour price is below the orange line, so also downtrend. This is a downtrend. Same with the 8-hour and also the daily. So, okay, we come in the room and we see a downtrend. Now, what else do we see? We see a 1 hour signal pointing up. When we came in the room, there was a signal up and the price was down here. Okay, so maybe we should wait for this arrow to do its job and take the price up to around 1 hour orange line. And then the price on the 4 hour is going to be right here below the 4 hour yellow line. You see this? A cross is taking place. See that? The orange line crossing the yellow line. I like that. Okay, so came in the room. We were down here at the 5-minute chart. So let's wait for it to come up to around 1 hour orange line. And when it comes up here, see this flip down on the 5-minute chart? It's a good indication that we won't get any further up. So step 1, trend down. Step 2, the price just came to the flip right here. Okay? And what do we get? Red moms. So is that a good trade to the downside? Yes, it is. Okay? So that's going to be our first trade. First trade on our Max Plan account. Yes. Okay? So, and that's 15 minutes after session started. You could have taken your first trade and your only trade for this day. Meow, meow. See, it came down, came down, it came down, it came down, because it's a downtrend. Okay, so that was your first trade, and it gave you more than 20 pips. Okay, I know Monday was a bit slow, but after session, it gave you 20 pips. Okay, so that was Monday. Okay, now Tuesday. So we come in the room. What do we see? Again, it's below, the price is below the orange line for our chart. The price is below the 1 hour orange line. So what is it? It's a downtrend. Very good. Now, do we have any, okay, so we established what we see, a downtrend. Where is the price? Okay, it's down here. It's at the BB band. It's at the BB band. Okay, it's closest to the BB bands. But do we have any signals pointing up to take the price up? No, we don't. There was a small red when we came in the room 9 o'clock, when this small move up happened. But when we hit the HABB band and moms kicked in, when it like dropped just a bit, even before the moms kicked in, the 1 hour signal, the red signal pointing up, disappeared. So right now, we don't have any signals up. And we're getting red moms off the HABB band. We cannot get it from the 5-minute BB band because there's no arrows to push it higher up. So our trade is not going to be from the 5-minute BB band. It's going to be from the 5-minute orange line. Okay? You're getting this double signal. I like the double signals on the HA. Red moms, it's perfect, guys. It's perfect, okay? And look what happened. Boom, it came down, okay? Here, down. Then it came up again. And when it hit the 5-minute BB band, if you don't like the 5-minute orange line trades, then just wait for the 5-minute BB band. And it went to the 5-minute BB band. Do we have any signals pointing up on the long-term charts? No. Well, is it safe to take it down then? Yes. Boom, 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 boom. And you know what? This is why you shouldn't look too much on the daily and the 8-hour chart. You should look a bit, but don't get confused, because you could easily get confused like, oh my god, we're hitting this yellow line here and there's a flip up and this 8-hour has blue. There's a reason why the MTs type all the time. 1 and 4, 1 and 4, 1 and 4, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. 1 and 4 hour chart. You should look mostly on those, okay? Don't get yourself confused. So it was downtrend, downtrend. No signals up. That's a number 2, golden ticket, downtrend. Okay, so that was Tuesday, and it would have easily have gotten you 20 pips. Okay, so that was our second trade. 2 days, 2 trades. Got it. Good. Wednesday. Let's look at this. Okay, so we come in the room. What do we see here? Yes, it's a downtrend. It's below, and it's below. Very good. But what do we see else? This to me looks like this is an edge, obviously, but it's also second move. Okay, like on the HA BB bands, it comes down, then it comes up, comes down, and hit the edge, and then it goes up again. It's the same with the 4-hour chart. Okay, comes down, comes up, comes down, and hit this higher low. So when we have a flip up, an edge, see this edge, and we have a 1-hour signal, golden ticket number 1. This is a good trade to the upside, because where's the price? Is it near the orange line, or is it near the BB band? Near the orange line or near the BB band? It's near the BB band. So we do have space to take it up. Okay, and we have a golden ticket number 1. And also the 8-hour, this candle is floating. So this wants to like come up again. It's not gonna come down. It wants to come up. Okay. So when we came in, we saw this. Very good. We have our golden ticket number 1, step 1. Step 2, from the 5-minute BB band. And when you saw this green green arrow, and the price went up, we got green moms here. So you could have been in the trade here. If you did not get the trade here, you could have waited for the price to come up and come down again on the HA chart to get the second move. This is the first move. This is the second move. Okay? Second move. So you could have taken your trade up there. When you got green moms, step 3, boom, 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 boom. Okay, that was a great trade to the upside. Great trade. This is our third trade. Okay? Up, 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 up. Very good. And that's for more than 20 pips. More than 20 pips again. Okay? Yeah, I don't think there's any more to say about that. See how good formed? Okay, because we're coming off the BB band. We had space to come up. Right? Good. Now, so Thursday. So we come in the room. What do we see? This is above, price is above the orange line. Price is above the orange line, the 1 hour. Okay? So, this is clearly a big uptrend, also on the daily and the 8-hour. And the last candle doesn't even have a wick to the downside. So to me, it tells me that it might not be finished going up. Okay, like the next candle can be an extension of this candle. Same with the 8-hour, an extension of this 8-hour super candle before session. Okay, but first, we have golden ticket number one, because we ask ourselves, where is the price? Is it closest to the orange line? The BB band. It's closest to the BB band. So there's space to take it down first. And since the move has already started from the 5-minute BB band, we get the second move from the HA BB band, which is the 5-minute orange line. And you could have taken the trade right here. Okay? So step one, golden ticket. Step two, 5-minute orange line, which is HA BB band. Step three, moms. Boom. And then it came down. And this one came down for 17 pips. 17, not 20, 17 pips. If you would have entered before moms up here, then actually you could have gotten 20 pips. But yeah, here's the thing. When it comes down here and you were in 17 pips plus, we're close to a new 1-hour candle, because it's gonna be 10 o'clock right away. Okay, so we have these signals down. It performed very good. Now, what is the difference here? Here you can still take it down, right? Even though you have to be a bit cautious now, because you're hitting some levels right here. Okay. See what the difference is? Red signal, no signal. Signal, no signal. Signal, no signal. Signal, new candle, no signal. So what is it now? Is it still a golden ticket number one? No. Now it's a golden ticket number two. The trend kicks in again. So when we were at the 5-minute BB band, got green moms, can you take it up? Do we have space? Is it closest now to the orange line or the BB band? It's closest to the orange line. So do we have space to take it up? Yes. And on the 4-hour, do we have space to take it up? Yes. Well, very good. Then you could have chosen this trade. Okay? You could have chosen the golden ticket number one trade down, or you could have chosen the golden ticket number two trend up. Back up with the trend. And it came up for more than 20 pips. Okay? So here you had two choices. Either down. Down, it gave you like 17 pips. And again, if you have done it before moms kicked in, you could have gotten 20. But so the better trade actually was to the upside, because the trend is always the better trade, in my opinion. So yeah, anyway, you should have been out of your trade down to the downside right here when it turned 10 o'clock, because now we don't have a golden ticket number one anymore. So you can't be in your trade to the downside anymore. Okay? Good. So let's see. Friday. Is this Friday? Okay. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Thought it was only Thursday or Wednesday, the trade I just showed you. Okay, Friday. So our fifth trade, it's gonna be again on the GU. We come in the room. What do we see? Above orange line, above orange line. Okay, so clearly uptrend. Very good. Now where's the price? Okay, the price is here. It's closest to the BB band. It's closest to the BB band. Yes. But do we have any signals pointing down? No. So what should take the price down then? Nothing. Okay? And again, you can get confused if you look at this. Oh my God, we're hitting this flip. Oh, then it's gonna go down. No, 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 no. Strong uptrend. This is a strong candle. Wants to go further. So just analyze this if you're over analyzing things. Okay? See this? Uptrend. Nothing. No golden ticket number one. It's a golden ticket number two. So what do we do then? We can't get it from the 5-minute BB band because there's nothing to push it down. But we can get it from the 5-minute orange line. Gets down, get green moms. Step 1, step 2, step 3, go. And it goes up. Not for 20 pips yet. Then it comes up and then it walks a bit down because we were at the BB band, so it decided to come a bit down. But still, if you have entered where I said on the last picture, right here, price 45, and you're using a 8 pip stop loss, then you would not have been stopped out here when the price came down. Okay, you would not have been stopped out. You would still have been alive. Okay, so it comes down. Now it's at the 5-minute BB band. And where is it close to? Is it closer to the 1-hour BB band or is the price? I mean, is the price closest to the 1-hour BB band or the 1-hour orange line? Closest to the 1-hour orange line. So can we take it up? Yes, we can. From the 5-minute BB band, step 2, green mom, step 3, take it up. Okay, also hitting. Here's the 15-minute orange line, hitting the 30-minute orange line. Okay, and you see how far it comes up. Oh my God. And you see the flip we had before? Oh my God, I can't take it up. There's a flip. No, it busted right through. Okay. So that was more than 20 pips. That was a lot of pips. Okay, so that was 5 trades. 5 trades on the GU for 5 days. 5 days, 5 trades. 20 pips. 100 pips. Okay? Now we get to Monday again. This is week 6. We come in the room. What do we see? Below, below. Below, 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 below. Okay? And here you should pay attention to the daily because, wow, is that a strong red candle? It pierced the daily orange line, so the next wall is down here, the yellow line. Okay, so I mean we can take this down for sure. And again, I know we have this small red up. We do, but competing with this candle, I wouldn't put my money in this to the upside. I would go with this strong candle, okay? So we come in, we see, and also you see the 1 hour chart, green, red, green, red. It's like the level right here, it doesn't want to come higher than the level right here. So I think this is going to be a very good down trade. And again, move already started from the 5-minute baby band before session. So where can we get it? We can get it from the HA baby band. Red moms, and this is safe, guys. Do not try to take this up when you have a daily, I spoke about the daily yellow reds. Do not go against the daily yellow reds. Boom. See what happens? Boom, boom, boom. Yellow line. Okay, so that was a very good trade to the downside. You could have gotten more than 20 pips, one trade. And you know what? Most of the trades I show you, they're like in beginning of class. This is 2 minutes after class started. And you could have been in your perfect max plan trade to the downside and get 70% increase on your account doing just one trade 2 minutes after session. Okay, so don't complicate this. Just come in, ask yourself, what do I see? Where is the price? And then the golden ticket will help you to take the trade up or down and use the steps. It's easy, okay? Okay, Tuesday, we came in, so. Downtrend, okay, interesting. Uptrend, it's above. We have flip up, We have signal down. Do we have space to take it down? Where's the price? It's right here, and we have space. Very good. Price is right here. Do we have space to take it down? Yes, very good. Move has already started before session. It was up here. 1 hour yellow line came down. So where can we take it from? HA baby band. Okay? This is a golden ticket number 1 right now. And also a number 2 here. What you have to be a bit cautious about is when we look at the chart, there's a big wick on the last one of the previous candles on the 4-hour chart and also the 8 hours. So there's some up momentum. Okay, so we can't take this down forever. Where do you think we can take it down to? 1 hour orange line. And then up again. Because that's an uptrend. Okay? So, but first, we can take it down. Again, from HA baby band, red mouse, boom, you're in, get it down. And this also went for around 17 pips, I think. If you have been in the trade I know some of the people take trades just purely from the HA BB band before we get moms, because moms kicked in when we were down here. But if you have got in right here, that's 5 pips difference. So then it would have given you 20 pips. Okay? 20 pips to the downside. Now. We're at the level here. Okay? And this has done its job for now. Okay, and it wants to come up again. Just look here, flip up, orange line, we're at a level right here. We're at the 5-minute BB band. We're getting the yellow signals, the yellow signal we like. And we get green moms now, so that's a good trade to the upside, okay? For more than 20 pips. Boom. So you could have chosen down, or you could have chosen up, okay? Or you could have done both, giving you 2 max plan uh, trades for one day. But again, well, if you're a newbie, just choose one, down or up. Wednesday, come in the room, come in the room. And it's a downtrend, downtrend. It's because it's below, 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 below. Okay? Do we have any signals to the upside? No, we don't. So, can we take it down then? Yes. We even have space to take it down. Perfect, because where's the price? It's right here in between. We don't have any signals to the upside, so this should just go down with the trend, and it does. Again, can we get it from the 5-minute BB band? No, because there's nothing to push it up. So where do we take it from? HABB band, HABB band. Okay, to the downside. So when it came here, got red moms, step 2, then you take it down, 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 down. Okay, so you got it down, and it was more than 20 pips. I think it was almost 50 pips down. Okay, so you could also have been like, you could have been in the trade until you get golden ticket number 1. We talked about this. Jazz Fran and MC were on speaking about this. Okay, so yeah, could have taken it down like open TP until you get something telling you that the golden ticket has changed. Now it's not golden ticket number 2 anymore. It is a downtrend, but now it's a golden ticket number 1 because we have signals. All right, so you can take it up. So yeah, to the downside, very good, good trade. So Thursday, this is our 9th trade. 9 days, 9 trades. Below, 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 below. Okay, downtrend. Now, we have a signal up. We have a signal up. We have a signal up. But, where should this take the price to? The signal right here. To the next wall on the 1-hour chart. When it came to the orange line, see how many of the previous candles that are below the orange line? We have this flip down. It's a big slope here. See the slope? See the slope? So when we came in the room, we should wait for this to take the price up and do its job. So it got up to the 5-minute BB band, which is the 1-hour orange line. So this one has done its job. So now it's like it's not there anymore. It's done. Now trend takes over. Step golden ticket number 2. So you got your direction to the downside, and where's price? Here and here. We do have space to take it down. Very good. And we do. From the 5-minute BB band, red mom, step 3, boom. Goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down. Okay? Okay. So that could have been your max plan trade. And again, all the trades I'm showing you, that's only on the GU. I'm not even showing you the EG or the UC or the GJ. Okay? I'm not showing you any of the other trades. I'm only showing you GU. Okay. So, yeah, that was a good trade down. And your 10th trade. Your 10th trade. When we came in the room, we were down here. Down here. Okay. Okay, we're down here. That's down here. So if we have to take a trade down, we have to wait for it to at least come to the HABB band to take it down. And when this climbed up, the price came up, we started to get signals. Okay, and this is coming off a flat line BB band. So when we came in the room, yes, downtrend. That's true, but where is the price? Where were the price when we came in? It was closest to the BB band, so we do not have that much space to the downside. And when we have this very strong flatline BB band, it has to climb up first. Okay, so don't take it down. And when the price came up, we start to get signals. So it's a golden ticket number 1. So you can't take it down no more. Okay. So what you should have done is, see, it climbed up. Wait for it to come down again to get the second move up. HABB band. Okay. Because when we came in the room down here, I know some of you might ask, but David, we could have gotten the trade from the 5-minute BB band when we came in the room. No, actually, yeah, you could, but then you were going against the golden ticket because we did not have these signals yet. We did not have this 4-hour signal pointing up, or the 8-hour, okay? Yeah, we did have the daily, but still, we did not have any signals pointing up, so you should have waited for it to come up. You get your signals, very good. Now it's safer to take it up. See, still have your signal. I know the 8-hour super disappeared, but it's gonna come in again, okay? Because you still have your 4-hour. And there's your entry. Moms kicks in and up it goes. And that's 20 pips, my friends. 20 pips, okay? Comes up, okay? Now, where's the price now? Is it closest to the BB band or is it closest to the orange line? Is it closest to the orange line and BB band or the other BB band? It's closest to the orange line BB band, orange line here. So, and it's a downtrend. So, have these done their job? Yes, they have. So, when you could have been in here, taking it down, then it came up again, hit the same level, so you would have been safe. If you have entered here to the downside, your stop loss would have been above this level here, okay? So whenever it came up again, it hits this level, and If you didn't get the first one, you could have gotten this one to the downside, because now it's safe to take down with the trend, back down with the trend. And that one gave you, wow, so much. Okay, the trend trades gives you more pips than the golden ticket number one trades, in my opinion. Okay, going with the trend is also always way stronger and gives you more pips. Okay, Jazzfran also showed you this in his newest video. So yeah, so you could have picked up or you could have picked down with the trend. So up with the golden ticket number one or down with the golden ticket number two. Okay. So that was 10 trades within 10 days. 10 trades, 10 days. And you would have on this trade you took right here, this trade here to the downside, or you took the upside, your 10th trade given you $16,602.30, making your account look like this. And you started 10 days ago with a $200 account, and now it's like this. And this is just the beginning. Not like now it gets, after this it gets really fun. Gets really fun. $28,000 a trade, $47,000 one trade. Yeah, have a look for yourself. Like the 22nd trade, you see, you get this, your account just exploded. Okay, so guys, that was actually it for this video. I hope you will, yeah, pay attention to what I showed you. Just when you come in the room, ask yourself, what do you see on the chart? Is it below or above the orange line? And where is the price? Do we have space to take it? Do you have space to take it the way you want to take it? Okay. So yeah, guys, that was it. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next week. And until then, you take care. Bye now.